Question is, what do we eat in the desert? So let's check it out, our lunch. This is not our lunch, this is the people who are gonna enjoy the lunch. Waiting for the lunch. So we're making some baba ganoush, eggplants. We're gonna mix it with some tahini sauce, sesame seed sauce. We have some boiled eggs. And soon our friends Bedouins gonna make some bread in the fire. So I'll show it later on. And here we have Samich, the professional. Samich, the name in Arabic Samich, in Hebrew we say Sameach, which actually has a meaning, happiness or happy. You see, he looks happy, I hope he's happy. Yeah, so a bit of salt, a bit of water, a bit of flour, and a lot of love. And in the meantime, of course, chai. Chai. Back for the preparation of our lunch. So the bread is almost ready, the dough. A little bit more magic touch. This is the second friend of us, Amar, the chef, Rais. Yeah, our life in his hands. Yeah, so it's a lovely thing to experience. Aywa. Isn't this amazing, no? You put the dough in the fire and then you have bread, man. Heaven! Ta-da! Protein like this, like that. So we have some Israeli avocado, we have some vegetables, we have the famous taban, the bread, the baba ganoush. What else do we need? Good people, good friends, desert. Yalla, betavon. Bon appetit.